Hello again, students, and welcome back to Miss Bullock's Flipped Classroom. So today, one of the skills that we want to work on is summarizing. So today's lesson will be on the simple summary. Go from this to this in less than 5 minutes. So, before we begin summarizing, the first thing we need to know is what exactly is summarizing? Well, summarizing is giving a short statement of the important points. That's all. We're just taking all of the extra stuff out. Why is it important? Well, summarizing allows us to restate key information, not really little details, but key information in a way that is short and it's in order. So you say, all right, so how do I do this summarizing thing? Okay, well, as it turns out, it's actually pretty easy. So what you're going to do is use the 5 fingers in 5 words or less in less than 5 minutes method. This is pretty awesome. So you want to take a look at your hand. Your hand is important here. And I've drawn a big one for us here. Okay, and with your fingers, you do the who, the what, the when, the where, the why. And then in the poem, the how. So, step 1, I write who was in this story in 5 words or less. Okay, I write what happened in the story in 5 words or less. This one's going to be the hardest one to do in 5 words or less. When it happened in 5 words or less. You can probably get this one in 3 words. Where it happened in 5 words or less. Again, you can probably get this one in 1 to 2 words. And step 5, write why it happened in 5 words or less. That one's going to be a tricky one. It'll take you probably close to all 5 words. And step 6, write how it happened in 5 words or less. Again, that one's probably going to take you your 5 words. So, after all of that, put 5 minutes on a timer.
Use those 5 minutes to create sentences from your list of important events and the bullet point information you came up with using the 5 W's and an H. You're going to write a 5 to 6 sentence summary of Chapter 2. Make sure your document is formatted in MLA formatting. Write a topic sentence, and then again, use 3 to 4 sentences from these bullet points of your drawings and your 5 W's and an H to create the rest of your summary. Don't worry if it takes you longer than 5 minutes. That's a guideline. Remember that a summary is very general, so don't spend a lot of time on this, but do an excellent job. I look forward to seeing what your writing looks like.